It is truly said that we can't see God, but on earth, doctor is like a God who gives us life to live in a better and happy way. In our life, we people are dependent on efficiency and the services rendered by the doctors. Today is 1st July. We are celebrating National Doctors Day. First of all, I wish Happy Doctors Day to our highly inspiring doctors, physicians, and health experts. Doctors' Day is celebrated on different dates across the world. This day provides us an opportunity to thank all the doctors in the world. Today is the birth and death anniversary of the most famous physician of India, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, B.C. Roy. He was the highly respected physician, a renowned freedom fighter, and second Chief Minister of West Bengal. He was honored with the Great Indian Civilian Award called Bharat Ratna on 4th February in 1961. So, this day is celebrated as National Doctors' Day. To pay honor and tribute to the legendary physician on this occasion, let us all thank to all the doctors and physicians. Today, the whole world struggling with coronavirus pandemic. The health of the world rests delicately on the shoulders of our healthcare experts. Doctors are put at risk each time they see a patient exhibiting symptoms. This time, the most unsafe in the world are the doctors in India. We should realize that they are also normal human beings who needs appreciation for their work and efforts they put for the betterment of the health of the people. This is the time to show our doctors that we too are there for them. Let us thank to them for what they do for the patients, for the communities they live in, and for the society as a whole. Thank you.